Hello everyone, I'm Rishabh Gupta, your maths teacher. So in this video, we will start the lesson number 2 of module 3 of grade 6 term 1. The name of the lesson is Compute with Multi-Digit Decimal. You know what is multi-digit? Multi-digit यानी a number which has more than one digit. For example, 25, it is a multi-digit number. Why? Because it has two digits. 278, it is a multi-digit number because it has three digits, right? So multi-digit number. But in this lesson, we need multi-digit decimals. Decimal यानी number with the points. For example, if I write 2.5, now this is a multi-digit decimal number because it has a point here. Any number which has this point, we call it decimal number. Okay, 1.25. This is a multi-digit decimal number. Okay, we have to compute them. Compute यानी we will do plus, minus, divide and multiply all these four math operations with which kind of numbers? Decimal numbers. Okay, so let us start the lesson. The first example is about adding the multi-digit decimal. We have to do Zayed plus add, okay, of what? Of decimal numbers. What is the question? 23.498 plus 14.93. Remember now, rule number 1. Whenever you are doing Zayed or Nagis, plus or minus of decimal numbers, the decimal must come in a straight line, in a seedha line. Okay, there are two numbers, so I have put two decimal in the straight line. Now what is the first number? 23.498. So before the point it is 23, so I will put 23 here, and after the point it is 498, so I will put 498 here. Second number is 14.93. Before the point 14, so I will put 14. Remember one thing, I am putting the number below the number. Okay, please write the numbers and the decimal in line so that you don't make any mistake. Now 14.93, so after the point 93. Now check carefully, there is no number below 8, correct? If you see some place empty, you can fill it with 0. You can fill it with 0. This is rule number 2. So rule 1, the point should be in straight line. Rule 2, fill the empty spaces with 0. Okay, and if you don't want to make any mistake, my suggestion is write the numbers just below one another, like, okay, in straight line. Okay, now let us do plus Zion. 8 plus 0, 8, 9 plus 3, 12. In the 12, 2 will go down and the 1 will go up. 9 and 1, 10, 10 and 4, 14. Again, so 4 will come down, 1 will go up. 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 4, 8. Okay, the point will come in the straight line. So the answer will also have the point here in the straight line. And 2 and 1, 3. So my answer is 38.428. Okay, I hope you understood. Now next example, subtract multi-digit decimal. Subtract यानी minus, नागिस. Okay, what is the number? 163.45 minus 85.354. Same rule in Zayed and Nagis, in plus and minus, in add and subtract, the decimal, the point should be in the seedha line. First number 163.45. Before the point I have 163, so I will write 163. After the point I have 45, so I will write 45. Second number before the point 85, so I will write 85. After the point 374, so 374. Now we have to do minus. There is an empty space here after decimal, you can check, fill it with 0. Okay, now we will start the subtraction. Can I do 0 minus 4? No. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 4. For example, let's say if Ahmed has 5 chocolates and I ask him, please give me 9 chocolates. So will he be able to give me 9 chocolates? No. Why? Because he have only 5 chocolates. So we cannot do minus there. Same thing. If I have 0 here, from the 0 I cannot take out 4. So we cannot do minus here. So what will I do? The 5 will help the 0. The 5 says I will give you 1. And it will become how much? 10. Now if 5 gave 1 here, how much will be left here? 4. Correct? Now let's see, 10 is bigger than 4. Correct? Now I can do minus. 10 minus 4? 6. Can I do 4 minus 7? No, because again the 4 is smaller. So this 4 will give 1 here and it will become 3. 14 minus 7? 7. 3 minus 3? 0. Decimal, decimal, decimal. Point, point, point. Straight line. Can I do 3 minus 5? No, 3 is small. So again the 6 will become 5 and it will give the 1 here. 13 minus 5? 8. 5 minus 8? Not possible. So this one will go here. This will become 0. Yani khalas. 15 minus 8? 7. So my answer is 78.076. Okay. I hope you understood plus and minus. Okay. There is one more question on subtraction because there is one more thing I have to explain. See, in this number there is no decimal in 25, right? So just write the second number first. 17.469. So I put a point here, 17, here 4, here 6, here 9. Now remember, because 25 does not have a decimal, you can put a decimal after 25. So yani that if I put the point here, before the point I have 25. So I will put 25 here. Now after the point there are no numbers here. So for all the 3 places I can put 0. Understood or no? If a whole number is given, so you can put the decimal at the end and fill the rest of the places with 0. Now I cannot do 0 minus 9, correct? Now this 0 cannot help the 0 because I cannot take 1 from here. So this 0 will go here. Again this 0 cannot help. So this 0 will go to the 5. The 5 says okay, I can give you 1, no problem. The 5 will give 1 here. This will become 4. This will become 10. Now this is 10, right? The 10 can give a 1 here and this will become 9. This became 10. Now this 10 will give 1 here and this will become 9. Now see, I have 10 here. I can do 10 minus 9. Yes, 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. Decimal, decimal, decimal. 4 minus 7, not possible. So again the 2 will give 1 here to the 4. This become 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. Khalas. So answer is 7.531. Okay. Now the next one is multiply the multi-digit decimals. Now we have to do darb, multiply. Okay. Let's see. What is the first number? 0.067 and 1.42. Now remember, in multiply and divide, you don't have to put the decimal in the seedha line. No need. Okay. Just write them like this and start multiplying. Now how will I multiply? Always start from this number, from the right side. Okay. Multiply it with all the numbers up, one by one. So start from here. 2 times 7, 14. The 4 will go down, the 1 will go up to the next number. Then multiply the 2 with the 6. 2 times 6 is 12 and after the 12 add 1. So 12 plus 1 will become 13. 3 goes here, 1 goes up. 2 times 0, 0. If you multiply any number with 0, it will become 0. So 2 times 0 is 0 and then 0 plus 1, 1. And 2 times 0, 0 again. Okay. Now one number is over. We have multiplied 2 with all the numbers, right? Now we have to start multiplying with 4. So we will multiply with the 4 in the new line, not in the same line, in the new line. Now check. How many numbers are finished? Only one number is finished. We have multiplied with 2. So one number finish यानी put 1 0 down. This is a rule. If you have completed one number, so you have to put 1 0 down, and then you start with multiply 4. Let me just erase it a little bit. 1.4, yes, okay. So again 1.42. So we are finished with 2, right? Khalas. Now we will start with the 4. 4 times 7, 28. The 8 will go down, the 2 will go up. Yes, let me erase them also. So 2 will go up. 4 times 6, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. So 6 here, 2 up. 4 times 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. And 4 times 0, 0. Put the 0. Okay. Now check. The 4 is also finished. How many numbers are finished? 2 numbers are finished. So now you will come to the new line and you will put 2 zeros. Because 2 numbers are finished, right? Now we will multiply with 1. Whenever you multiply any number with 1, we get the same result. 1 multiply 2, 2. 1 multiply 3, 3. So yani I will get the same result here. Zeros here 7, 6, 0, 0. Right now do not worry about the decimals, okay? We will see what to do with the decimal by then. Now see, all the 3 numbers are finished, right? There is no other number to multiply here. When this happens, you put a line here and do xi. Do what? Xi. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 down and 1 up. 1 and 1, 2. 6 and 2, 8. 8 and 7, 15. 5 down. 1 up. 1 and 2, 3. 3 and 6, 9. Here 0 and 0, 0. Here 0. Now, what to do with the decimal now? What to do with the decimal? Check. How many numbers after decimal here? 1, 2, 3. So here 3 numbers after decimal. In 1.42, how many number after decimal? 1 and 2. So here 2 numbers. You add both of them. 3 plus 2, 5. Yani after decimal, I have total 5 numbers, correct? So in your answer also, after 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 numbers, just put a decimal and this will be your answer. 0.09514. Okay? I hope you understood. Next question. It is about division now. The last thing is division. Don't get worried about the decimal. Just use the same rule that I taught you. First make the division box. Then the first number inside 0.006 and then 0.12. Okay. Now if you want to remove the decimal, simply how many number after decimal here? 1, 2 and 3, correct? So here also if I need 3 numbers, I will do 1, 2 and see I need a third number. There is no number at the third place, right? Fill it with 0, no problem. Okay. Now after decimal I have 3 numbers here. After decimal I have 3 numbers here. When the numbers after decimal become same, the decimal will go, khalas. Okay. And if the decimal is gone from here, then there is no value of this 0, 0, 0. This will simply become what? 6. And this will become how much? 120. So I will write it here again. This is 6 and this is 120. Okay. Check, see again what did I do. It was 0.120 and 0.0006. Sorry. Like this. Check, here after decimal 3 numbers, right? So I need 3 numbers. Sorry, it was nothing here. So here also I need 3 numbers, 1, 2, and because there is nothing in the third place, then you can put a 0 here. And when there are 3 numbers after decimal here, 3 numbers after decimal here, same number, yani decimal will go. And what do I have? 6 here and 120 here. Okay. Now what was the rule of division? In the rule of division I told you inside I need a bigger number. But I have only 6 here and the 6 is smaller than 120. So what should I do now? I will use a point. Okay, just put a 0 here because we don't leave the point alone. The point gives you the power to write a 0 here. Correct? It became 60 now. Is the 60 bigger than 120? No. What will I do now? I need an extra 0. I told you for an extra 0, you have to put an extra 0 in the answer also. Correct? Now, is the 600 bigger than 120? Correct, it is. Now, just check the table of 12. 12 times how much will give you 60? We know that 12 times 5 will give me 60. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 1, 5 and 1, 6. Correct? Yani 120 times 5 will give me 600. So 120 times 5 will give me 600. I'll do minus, I'll get 0. So answer is 0.05. Okay. How will you remove the decimal? Let us take one more example. If I have 0.23 and here I have 1.7582. Now I do not want the decimal. What should I do? I will check the numbers. Here after decimal, how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need 4 number here also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two places are empty. No number here. Fill them with 0. Now check. Here 4 number after decimal. Here 4 number after decimal. So you can remove the decimal. Decimal, khalas. So this will become 2300. This will become 17,582. Then you can do Taksim. Just remember how to remove the decimal. And after that, you know how to do divide. We have discussed it in the first lesson already. Okay. I hope you understood the lesson. This lesson is also over now. Practice the question from the book. If you have any doubt, you can always come to me. Goodbye. Have a great day.